Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix the Windows installer service could not be accessed in Windows. Open any browser. Copy URL from description and paste it. Download and extract file. Right-click Reg File, click Show More Options, click Merge. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.